So in the perspective of African women, you find out that we have to take a leading role in some of the groups or the institutions. Because we think we are women, we cannot take a leading role in some of the institutions. So we have now discussed in our group that as women, we should try to have that education and to lead wherever we are. Then we are talking of the children orphan. You see, people complain that the children orphan, the salary is low and all those things. But that is a preliminary step of education, although it is very delicate. But what we are also saying here is, though it's a preliminary education for the children, we need to step up to tell the government we are doing a lot to educate these children, put them in the right one, and the salary of the women should also be attended to. And men also should also come there and help, not because we find out that in the orphan it's mostly women. Then the second and the third is saying almost the same thing about increase in salary for the women. Because we also discovered that if a woman read engineering and a man, when it comes to the salary grade level, the man's salary is higher than that of the women. And we don't want that. That is why we are celebrating the Women Day to speak out. Our voice should be heard in this forum, that we are tired of being a second class. We want our salary to be level, excuse me for the men, but we want to have the same level in all these. That our politician is here. So please take it along to tell them we the women we are here.